Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So today we are going to make TikTok account private or public. So we are in profile. Now you see lock icon. Lock icon mean our account is private. So you can make your account private or public. So it's up to you. So now account is private and then we are going to make it public. Now you see three lines hamburger icons. So click on it. So we are in setting and privacy. So click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section. Now you see privacy. So again click on it. So we are in privacy section. Now you see private account. So currently our account is private. Now you see with the private account only user you can approve, follow you and watch your videos. So you can make your account private or public. So we are going to make it public. Now you see switch to public account. Anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Now you see and then click on switch. So now we are going to make our account public. If you want to make your account private again, so click on it. Now account is private, so it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.